Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Learning, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.linkedin.com/learning and press enter. If you already have a LinkedIn account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your LinkedIn email address in the first field. Next, type your LinkedIn password in the second field. Once both fields are filled out, click the sign in button below. If your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to the LinkedIn Learning homepage. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, you'll need to create one first. To create an account, click on the Join Now button on the LinkedIn homepage. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and password. After completing the sign-up process, return to the LinkedIn Learning page. Now, sign in using your new LinkedIn credentials. Once logged in, explore the various courses and learning materials available. You can search for specific topics using the search bar at the top. Feel free to browse through recommended courses on the homepage. To access a course, simply click on its title. You're now ready to enhance your skills with LinkedIn Learning. Enjoy your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.